In this MetaMask tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect MetaMask to the Avalanche network. So you can send funds to your MetaMask wallet and make transactions with much lower fees compared to other blockchains right now. I will then show you how to connect your MetaMask to popular DeFi apps like Pangolin to swap and earn other tokens there. And as a bonus, towards the end of this video, I will show you how to earn some passive income using your crypto assets. So make sure to stick with me to the end. But for now, let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to have your MetaMask extension ready. But if you haven't installed it yet, then you can go to MetaMask.io and click on download now and follow their steps. But if you need more information and a guide on how to set up your MetaMask account properly, then I have a full MetaMask tutorial video, which I'll leave the link to it in the description below to help you out. Now let's toggle over our extensions section, click on MetaMask, and now click on this triple dot and click expand view. This will open up my MetaMask dashboard where I will be able to start configuring things from here. An important note that I want to let you know right away is that you won't need to create a secondary MetaMask wallet in order to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and the Avalanche blockchain. You can use this exact same address here for both of them. But you just have to note that the assets you send to the Ethereum blockchain will not be seen on other blockchains. For example, right now I have some funds on the Harmony mainnet, as you can see, but they don't show up when I'm on the Ethereum mainnet. So that's just something for you to note. However, if you do want to create a new account, that's very easy to do. You just go here and click on create account and you can add another account in 2 seconds. Or if you already have a secondary MetaMask account, you can import it here by clicking on this button and pasting in your private keys. Now, talking about private keys and security, I strongly recommend you use a hard wallet with your MetaMask account. So you can connect your hardware wallet here, and MetaMask supports a Ledger and Trezor hardware wallets. I do have both of these wallets myself and can recommend either one of them to you. But I have done an in-depth review and tutorial on both of these hardware wallets, so if you need some more help, I'll link those 2 videos and the actual product pages in the description as well. Now I'm going to show you 2 different ways of connecting your MetaMask account to the Avalanche network, and then you can decide for yourself which one you like better. So for the first method, you want to click on here and go to custom RPC, and you can see here there's 5 boxes that you need to fill out the information for. And we can get that from this article, which is on Avalanche's official website. And I will copy this information one by one now, but I will also leave this information in the description box so you don't have to go and find it yourself later. So now I copy all of this information, and once that is done and you've double checked that everything is correct, then you can click on save. Now go back to the dashboard, and you can see here we have our AVAX token as our main token, and it appears that it has been successfully done. So now I'll just delete this Avalanche network for now and show you the next method. So for the second method, you'll need to go to chainlist.org. This website is an aggregation of all the different blockchains available for you to connect to right now. So in this search box, I'm going to type in Avalanche. And you can see here there's 2 different chains. We always want to go for the mainnet, but double check that the chain ID is correct. So this is 43114, and it's the same here, 43114, you can see that. So I'll click on connect wallet and click on add to MetaMask. A window will pop up for you to confirm all the information. And you can see here, this is the same as on the Avalanche website. So we can click on approve, click switch network, and that's it, it's all done. If we go back to our MetaMask, you can see Avalanche mainnet has been added again. So now I hope you can see the difference between the 2 methods. I personally think the second one is much easier, as it only requires a few clicks to do. Whereas the first method is more likely for you to make a mistake when you're copying and pasting so many different values. So quick note, if you're finding my video helpful so far, you can thank me by hitting that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want more of these videos. So now that we have connected MetaMask to our Avalanche network, we want to fund their account and start using it. We're now going to transfer some funds or AVAX tokens to our MetaMask account on the Avalanche network. And to do this, I have 2 different methods again, which I'll show you now. So the first method is the easiest and simplest way of doing it, and that is to use a centralized exchange like Kucoin to transfer your AVAX token over. But there's an important thing that you must note, is that the exchange that you use must have this AVAX C chain in order to transfer it to MetaMask. If you use the normal AVAX chain, then you'll need to have the official AVAX wallet, which I'll also show you in the second method. But quick note here, you can see on an exchange like Binance, they don't have the option of the C chain, so you won't be able to transfer to your MetaMask account. Anyway, if you don't have any AVAX yet, let me first show you how to buy that. So Kucoin is one of my personal favorite centralized exchange, as they have so many altcoins for you to choose from. And if you don't have a Kucoin account yet, or just want to get a new account where you can get a discount on your fees, I have a special discounted link here, which you can use to sign up for a new Kucoin account. So make sure you take advantage of that if you're going to use this platform to buy some AVAX. So I want to roughly buy one AVAX, and I want to do this quickly, so I'm just going to go to the market order, and I'll just type in 12. That should give me just a little bit over one AVAX, and then click on buy AVAX. And that's it. I've successfully purchased my AVAX. So now we can go back to our withdrawal page, click on refresh, and now we can see there's 1.02 AVAX in my trading account. So I need to click transfer, send that to my main account so I'm able to withdraw it. Click confirm. Now the next thing is very important. I must select the AVAX C chain, and then for the wallet address, we go to MetaMask, click copy to clipboard, come back to the withdrawal page and paste it in here, making sure that the last 3 letters is correct. And then for the amount, I'm going to select the max amount again. You can see there's only going to be a 0.01 AVAX for the fees. This is really cheap compared to other chains like Ethereum. So now I'm going to click on confirm and then confirm the withdrawal. Put in all my verification codes and then submit. That's it. My transaction has now gone through. I just wait a minute or two and the 1.017 AVAX should arrive into my MetaMask account. And there it is. It's only been less than a minute and my correct amount of AVAX has arrived to my MetaMask account. So now you can see how easy that first method was, right? However, if you don't have access to an exchange like Kucoin, which has this AVAX C chain option, then it's not a problem. I still have you covered with this second method, which will work with just the normal AVAX chain. So for this second method, you'll first need to go to Wallet.Avax.Network. This is Avalanche Network's official wallet. So you can either access an existing one or create a new one. In this tutorial, we'll create a new wallet. So click on create, and now you want to generate key phrase. And here's the 24 key phrases that you'll have to copy and write down somewhere and keep it safe, as this is essentially your password to recover your account again. If this is lost, then your account will be lost forever as well. So once you've copied that, you can click on this tick here and then click on access wallet. Now you need to fill in the missing words that they ask and then verify. And it will take you to your Avalanche Wallets dashboard. Now you can see from here, you'll have the X chain, P chain, and C chain. So this C chain here is the equivalent of the Ethereum network, which is the same type of wallet as what is on your MetaMask account. So you can use this the same way as MetaMask if you need, but it will also allow you to use their native X chain. So now that our account is set up, we can transfer some funds over to this wallet, then we'll convert it from the X chain to C chain and then send it over to MetaMask. So go back to Kucoin, and I'm going to buy around 1 AVAX worth of USDT again. Now we can go back to the withdrawal page and do the same steps again. But this time, I'll make sure to use the normal AVAX chain and not this AVAX C chain. And for the wallet address, I'll go to my Avalanche wallet and use this X chain wallet here and click on copy, go back to Kucoin and paste that X chain wallet address here. I'll select the max amount again and click confirm. And that's it. I've made the withdrawal, and now let's wait a minute or two again and my 1.036 AVAX should arrive in my Avalanche wallet. And there it is. All my AVAX have arrived minus the small fee on Kucoin. Now the next step is that we need to convert it from the X chain to the C chain. So we can click on cross chain here and our source will be X chain. The destination will have to change to the C chain. Now I want to transfer the max amount, so I'll click max and then click on confirm. Click transfer. Give it a bit of time for it to export, then import. And here's a quick tip. If your balance gets stuck between transferring from your X chain to C chain or any other cross chain swaps, then you can go to advanced section here and either click on import X, import P or import C, and this should fix your failed chain transfer. Sometimes if the network is congested, this can happen. But when I refresh it, mine came up on the C chain, so it's not a problem for this transfer. But just a side tip for you here. Now that we have our AVAX in the C chain, we're ready to transfer it to our MetaMask wallet. So we go back to our MetaMask dashboard, copy the address. Now go to send. The source chain here will have to be C. Click on max again. And for the address, I will paste in my MetaMask wallet address. Now click on confirm and click send transaction. So the transaction has been sent. I can go back to my MetaMask wallet and just wait a few seconds for my funds to arrive. And there it is. That took about 10 to 20 seconds and now I have 2 AVAX. So both funding methods work successfully, so now it's up to you which one you choose. So now that you have some AVAX in your account, the next step is to go and make some swaps and buy some other tokens on the Avalanche network. And we can do that by going to Pangolin.Exchange. This is one of the main exchanges right now on the Avalanche network. So we'll click on Launch App. Now we can click on Connect to a wallet, click MetaMask, choose the account we want, click Next, and then Connect. So now you can see here I have a balance of 2.03, which matches my MetaMask account for AVAX. And if I want to buy a different token, I can just simply select a token and then choose an asset I want. So in this case, I'm just going to pick USDT, and let's say I just want 1 USDT. And it's going to show me how much AVAX I'm going to have to spend. And if you're happy, then click on Swap, click Confirm Swap. And based on this gas fee of 0.038 AVAX, this will be around 30 or 40 cents per transaction. So you can see the benefits here of a side chain on top of the Ethereum network. It's going to save you a lot on fees when Ethereum's right now is about $40 or $50 per transaction. But anyway, I'm not going to do this right now as I don't want to buy the token, so I'll click on Reject. So now you know how to buy some tokens on the Pangolin.Exchange. The next thing I want to show you is how to earn some passive income with your crypto assets. Here's a quick question for you. What is your favorite decentralized exchange on Avalanche? Is it Pangolin or something else? Let me know in the comments section below. So you can go to the new PNG button. This will show you all the different pools that you can participate in on the Pangolin network to earn some passive income. So you can see here, if you have the AVAX token and the Pangolin token, which is PNG, you can earn up to 134% per year on your crypto assets. So this means that you can more than double your tokens after 12 months. And there's all these different pairs here that you can stake, but you do have to be careful of impermanent losses when you're staking 2 tokens together. But I won't go deep into that right now as it's a more complicated topic and requires its own video. I just wanted to simply introduce you to the power of DeFi and how you can earn passive income with your existing cryptos. If you're looking for more variety and want to stake your other assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins as well, then it is a good idea to take advantage of these platforms, which I'm about to show you here. Plus, you can get a free sign-up bonus worth $375. So I think it's a no-brainer here. You simply just have to go to the links in the description below, sign up for these platforms, and start staking your crypto to earn your standard APY and the free bonus. You can see here through my links, BlockFi will give you a $250 bonus when you stake your crypto with them. And Celsius Network is going to be a $50 bonus. Crypto.com is also not bad at $25. Same thing with Leden at $25. And lastly, Voyager is going to be $25 as well. My favorites, which I use for the long term, are BlockFi, Celsius Network, and Crypto.com. But Leden and Voyager are still worthwhile signing up and getting their bonus. If you want more information and more ways to earn passive income through your cryptocurrency assets, then I strongly recommend you check out this next video here. But if you still want more help on MetaMask, like connecting it to other wallets or dApps, or even connecting it to another blockchain, then you can check out my full playlist on MetaMask here and pick the right video for you. So check it out, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.